Well, let's get a move on and focus in on Route Mobile, a bumper listing for sure today. The company IPO was subscribed about 73 times. We spoke with the promoter and managing director, Rajdeep Kumar Gupta, and the promoter and non-executive director, Sandeep Kumar Gupta, about the listing and the future plans. Listen in.
So I think we would love to get compared with Cinch and Tulio, both. I think so we have a based country like India, and I think we are focused more on emerging markets where the cost per SMS, cost per transaction is lower than as compared to the market which they work right now. And in coming years, I think we are going to focus more on European and American US market. And I think we are definitely going to focus more on that kind of a margin and target and the valuation also in coming years.
In terms of the customer ads, since we last spoke, we're here, you're doing some piloting work with Alibaba. We've also heard you've added a lot of banks to the customer portfolio recently. So who are the largest banking customers and what traction are you seeing here?
So right now, I think we are working with very large US-based bank. And I think we are doing a POC with them over a very bespoke solution, which we have created especially for them. And as a company, we always believe that we need to understand the pain point of a customer and then build a solution over there. And I think that's one of the uniqueness of our platform and as a company. And we onboarded one of the largest banking customer based out of US. I can't share the name right now, but again, that is complete a bespoke solution we have created for them. And the pilot is already been started from 1st of July. And they're very happy with our offering and solution.
Okay, so congratulations on that.
And customer like Alibaba is onboarded. I think we already got the contract signed. And we are looking forward to generating revenue from them very soon.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. Talking about banks, you said you've added the largest bank of America, but in India over here, the largest public bank, SBI, now has made it mandatory almost for every ATM transaction to get an OTP message. So how is that going to impact you?
So SBI is my customer and we are supporting for that OTP. They're using our platform for all the OTP messages. So we are going to get benefit the most for a number of OTP going to generate from that platform. So SBI is our customer.
And, given the most recent run rate that we saw at the time your issue came, it was around 350 crores odd for, I think, the first quarter, maybe slightly less. Is this run rate expected to maintain through the rest of this year, or possibly even grow from here?
It will definitely grow. Varun, if you see the digital penetration in all over Asia and Africa and Middle East, all over the globe is growing. And everything is happening from work from home kind of scenario. And most of the digital transaction is happening from your digital devices. So we do see a traction right now, which is growing. And I think this quarter also looks the same traction. And it will definitely grow.
Okay. And part of your issue, apparently, there's some acquisitions lined up. Now, currently, Route Mobile's gross margins I was seeing are, in the late teens to 20s, mid, like let's say for this kind of products. But this acquisition, will it have a much higher gross margin business? And what are the kind of products that this acquisition you're looking at might be doing?
I think one of the key area for Route Mobile in going forward is to focus more on the margin and the GOP. And I think that's the one big area where we are looking out to acquire a company in SaaS, which is definitely into a virtual contact center and a video. So we don't have a video API capability within our platform right now. And with this acquisition, it's a complete SaaS-based company and where the margins are gross margins are almost in the range of 90%. So with this acquisition, I think our margin is going to be more in the range of 28 to 30% in coming months.
Okay, and then so what kind of, now that your listing is done, you can formally give us some guidance in terms of growth rates, what we can expect for 1 or 2 years?
So as a company, we have always grown in the range of 20 to 25% year on year from last 16 years probably. I think I can just, it's a proud moment for us to share that from year one till last year, I think we were always profitable company. And with the current growth rate, which we believe right now, I think we will growing at the range of between 20-25% year on year basis.
And Sandeep sir, you've been awfully quiet during this whole interview. Do you also want to share some of your thoughts and anything that's pertinent to the issue or to your company? Please share with us.
As Rajdeep mentioned, we are a cloud communication company and we have to keep on adding new channels to the platform so that my customer gets a better user experience and in turn their customer gets more seamless communication channel and which will add their satisfaction. So definitely the channels, we will keep on adding more and more channels to the platform, and which will keep on, we will keep on innovating new technologies or putting more into R&D. So yes, we are there to innovation.
Yeah.
Innovate and
create a better user experience for end user.
If you look at the kind of performance of Cinch AB, or if you look at the performance of Twilio, those stocks have been almost 10, 11 baggers in the last 5 years. So is that because they're doing something specialized, or are we in the same market? I'm just trying to understand the opportunity size for you.
So that's the same market. As I said, I think we are very strong in the emerging countries. They are very strong in the developed countries. Our focus is now going to be in the developed countries where the margin and the cost per transaction is much higher. So we are going to we do compete with them in all markets right now. Also, they are our competitor. Now being a listed company, we have the more credibility in the market, and we are going to head on with these companies in US and Europe.
Well, after Happiest Minds, it's Route Mobile that has seen a bumper listing.